So here I am in my console, and to get to the health dashboard, you can just click on this bell right here and click on event log. This will take you straight into your health dashboards. So first things first, let's look at service health. So if you click on service history, this is going to give you the service health of all the services in AWS by region, by day. So you can see, for example, for North America, we can look at Amazon EventBridge scheduler and see that today it was fine and yesterday it was fine and so on. And you can scroll down and look at all the services and you can see that AWS is quite stable. So you can find a specific service or a specific region you want to drill into. On top of it, in case you have open issues, you will see them right here, confirming the fact that maybe you are experiencing an issue with a service and so are other customers. But this is just general information. For your account health, for the issues that are relevant to you, you will find them in here in the open and recent issues. So when you have one, you'll see the bell will have a little icon. Right now, there's none because there's no open issues, no schedule changes, and no other notifications. But in case you have one, you'll see a bell here. And this is going to give you the issues that are impacting you right now. For this tab, and for this tab, the schedule changes. For example, they're going to do some maintenance on EBS volumes and that will impact you, or other notifications. And if you go into the event log, you will find actually issues that were opened and closed and how they were the start time and the last update time. And these issues I received only applied to me because I was using underlying services. So if I look at this operational issues for EC2, you can click on it. You can view when it got started, the fact it got resolved, the description, and how it impacted me. And on top of it, you could click on affected resources to see the resources that were affected by this issue. So hopefully you see the difference between the service health and the account health. And finally, we have the organizational health, where you can configure it to get organization-wide visibility into the health of all your accounts. And if you wanted to have automations, you can integrate health with Amazon EventBridge, for example. Okay, so that's it for this lecture. I hope you liked it, and I will see you in the next lecture.